Hello, my name is Louise Barrett and today I'd like to talk to you about an addition to our HomePlug AV range. It's got a great big long part number, but we refer to it in the office as the Piggy6 because it makes life much easier. This particular product is a strip. You go behind your TV, put all the different plugs in, and it makes life easier because you haven't got enough plugs on the wall. Now the benefit of this product is it has 3 Ethernet ports and has the HomePlug AV built in. It makes it a fantastic product to go behind the TV. For instance, you would have your normal HomePlug power line adapter, and then you'd have this behind the TV. In my house, the way we would use it is we have an Xbox and a digital media player. So all of the usual gubbins will be plugged into the sockets, and then we would have the Xbox in one of the Ethernet ports and the media player in the other. This particular product uses the latest Intel on chipset. It uses push button technology, so it works fine with the rest of the Solwise HomePlug AV range. It works with all HomePlug AVs that are on version 2 of the firmware, but it is worth noting that there are HomePlug AV products out there that don't run this version of the firmware, so it's worth keeping an eye on that. But as far as the Solwise and the VeseNET range go, then it works fine with all the AV hardware that we supply. It has enhanced quality of service, which is good for guaranteed bandwidth reservations for multimedia type applications such as HD TV, online gaming, that type of thing. It uses the push button technology, as I mentioned earlier. The push button is slightly different on this particular product. It's not a push button as such, which in my opinion is actually better because it's much safer, because if, like me, you've got kids, you're stuffed if they push the button and it starts messing things about. So you grab a cocktail stick or something like that, just push it in the hole. The rest of these lights are the 3 Ethernet ports. They light up as something's plugged in there. The power line light, and just the power light to say that it's on. And there's also a reset button, which again is recessed in the same way as the push button technology, so that could be quite handy if needs be. Other buttons on this particular product, which for all you green people out there are fantastic, is this one. When it's plugged in, this all lights up green, and you press the button down and it switches all the plugs off. So if you're going on holiday, it saves having to faff about with unplugging stuff or taking this one out the wall and all that. Just press the button, power gone. It doesn't switch off the home plug, but to be fair, if you've got an Xbox plugged into the Ethernet and then you've got the Xbox plugged in here, it's going to turn it off anyway, so it's neither here nor there really. It's surge protected, which is handy. And it also has all the various bits of encryption you need, 128-bit AES encryption to keep things safe on the network. The Piggy6 is the backbone of it is the 200 megabits per second, which in reality gives you 80 or 90 meg across your network for the data transfer, which is ideal for things like HD TV, big file transfers, that type of thing. Another great feature of this product is that the actual electric sockets are filtered. If you've used HomePlug in the past, you may have noticed that plugging something like a mobile phone charger in just next to a HomePlug can cause interference. Not all the time, but it does sometimes cause interference. On these particular ones, if you plug the mobile phone charger into here, no interference at all. The sorts of chargers that cause these problems are these light switch mode power supplies, the small light ones that for mobile phones, camera chargers, that type of thing. Thank you very much.